Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is your online English language class, and you all know that this whole week we have done our English language, and we have started from Monday our new chapter, which was chapter number 10, A and the. Okay, and this I explained you that these three words are also known as articles. So we have started this chapter of articles this week. Okay, and I hope you all have understood the topic of articles a and the, how and where to use and when to use a and the. Okay, so I have explained it to you many times, and now, as you all know that every day you are getting two videos in every assignment. So our first video, part 1 video, which I gave you day before yesterday, because yesterday was a holiday. uh, so I hope you all have completed your Tuesday's work by now, and you all know that on Tuesday I gave you one book exercise to complete as well as three notebook exercises to complete. So I hope you all have completed that, and I have explained you the chapter twice. So I hope that there is no problem with this topic, because it is a very easy topic. And before starting with today's video, children, first of all I want to tell you that this is our part 1 video, and in this video I will be first giving you a short intro of the topic, what we have understood by this topic till now. And we will be doing activity number 1 in this video, and in part 2 video we will be doing activity number 2. Okay, so in that activity, children, these two activities are very interesting activities, so let's get started. Before starting, I would like to tell you all to please take out your English language notebook, okay, and turn to a new page, so that we can start our new topic, that is activities. Two activities for today, we can start from a new page. Before starting, children, I would like to give you a short introduction of this chapter. So let's get back to the introduction part, where I have given you the introduction part to write in your notebooks, which I gave you on 20th of July 2021. So children, I hope you all have written this introduction part as well as your exercises part in your notebooks. So from this introduction part only I am going to explain you in a very short manner, okay, so that you can recall everything, that where to use a, where to use an, and where to use the. Clear to you all? Okay, so let's get started. The words a and the are called articles. You all know that a, an और the को हम लोग articles बोलते हैं. a का use हम कब करते हैं? When the words begin with a consonant sound. When the words are beginning with a consonant sound, जो भी words consonant sound के साथ में शुरू होते हैं उनके साथ हम a use करते हैं. और an का use हम कब करते हैं? जब whenever the words are starting or beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, जब भी words अगर vowel sound से begin करते हैं, शुरू होते हैं, तो हम an का use करते हैं. How many vowels are there, children? You all know there are 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u, and other letters which are left. Okay, except a, e, I, o, u are all consonants. So whenever the word is starting with a consonant, giving you a sound of a consonant, then you will use a. And when the words which are starting with the beginning with a vowel sound, when you get a sound of a vowel, you will use an with them. Okay, now where to use the किसके साथ use होता है? We use the with particular things or before something definite which is already known. हम लोग the तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के बारे में, या पर्सन के बारे में, या प्लेस के बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड हम द तब भी यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी भी चीज़ के लिए डेफिनेट होते हैं कि ये चीज़ एग्जिस्ट करती है, दैट वी ऑलरेडी नो. ओके, अबाउट द थिंग विच वी ऑलरेडी नो, फॉर दोज वर्ड्स ऑल्सो वी यूज़ द. ओके, सो these are the main points to remember that where will you use a, where will you use an, and where will you use the. Clear to you all? Then the most important part is honest and are. These are the two words. When you will write them, their spelling will be starting with a consonant, that is H. Okay, but when you pronounce them, जब आप उसको बोलते हैं honest, are, तो they give a sound of a vowel. So इससे हमें vowel का sound मिलता है. So अगर हमें vowel का sound जिस word से मिलता है तो हम उसके साथ क्या use करते हैं? an. So in the same manner honest और are के साथ भी हम an का use करेंगे. So I hope this topic is clear now. Now what you have to do, children, first of all, see that I have given you on 22nd I have given you this exercise to complete. Okay, put a, an, or the. There were 10 words and you have to read these words and you have to make out if they are starting with a consonant, or if they are starting with a vowel, or if they are definite things. Okay, so you have to use these 3 articles here. And next I gave you C exercise, in which there were 5 sentences and in which there were two blanks given, and you have to use a and the again in this exercise. And 4th exercise also, there were 5 sentences in which you have to complete the sentences by using a and the. Okay, so I hope you all have done your work till here now. Okay, so let's get started with our today's activity, children. So our today's exercise is on activity. So what is the activity? You have to circle the correct articles. You are here I have given sentences. Okay, 6 sentences in this activity I have given, and with all the sentences there are 2 options. Okay, one is correct and one is incorrect. So whichever will be the correct option, you have to circle that option. Is that clear? So let's get started, children, without wasting any time. Write down today's date, that is 23/7/2021. In the first line you will give the heading chapter 10 a and the. Next line you will give the heading activity 1, and in the next line you will give the heading of the topic, that is circle the correct article a and the in each sentence. Okay, so let's get started without wasting time, children. First sentence, John wanted to read a or an comic book. अब यहाँ हमें क्या दिया है? John wanted to read comic book. Now comic is a word which you have to read nicely so that you can understand that before comic a will be used or an will be used. Okay, so comic is the word which is starting with C, you can see here, and C is a consonant. So what will be used? A will be used, a will be used. Okay, so the word which we will circle, the correct answer which we will circle is A. So you will circle it like this. Is that clear? Now coming to the second sentence, the class went on an field trip. Class field trip पे गई है. Okay, the class went on a या an field trip. Now what word we have to see? Field. Field is starting with F, which is a consonant. So again we will use a with it. Okay, so A will be the correct option. So we will circle the word A. Is that clear? Now coming to the third sentence, he likes to read an or the. Okay, short stories. Now short stories are definite things. We are talking about particular stories that are short stories. So what we will use? We will use, instead of an, we will use the. So correct option is the. So what we will do? We will circle the word the as it is the correct answer. Clear? Now again, fourth sentence, the dog caught an stick. Dog ने stick को पकड़ लिया. So what is the correct word for this stick? What we will use before stick, children? We will use A. Why? Because stick is a word which is starting with a consonant S. Okay, so again A is the correct option. So we will circle it like this. Fifth sentence, I saw a or an owl at the zoo. Now owl is a word which is starting with O, which is a vowel. So we will use an before owl. Okay, so an will be the correct option. So we will circle it. Clear to you all? Now coming to the sixth part, last sentence, a or an oval is shaped like a or an egg. Now in this sentence there are two choices which you have to make. You have to circle correct answers in two places. Okay, so first place is a or an oval. Now oval is a shape. Okay, so oval is shaped like a or an egg. तो oval के साथ हम an use करेंगे because oval is starting with o, which is a vowel. So an will be the correct option. And in the second part, egg is also starting with e, which is a vowel. So again we will circle an here. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this exercise clearly, children. I don't have to repeat this again because it is very easy. You just have to read the sentences carefully, and where there are choices given, just after the choice you have to read that word very carefully so that you can make out that which is the correct option for this. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood this activity. Now please, after completing this activity, switch on to my part 2 video. Is that clear, children? So bye bye.